Hello and welcome to Mathematics Made Easier channel. This is your favorite mathematics tutor, Comfort Amuakon Atta. I welcome you all for joining today's class. If today is your very first time of joining the class, please look down there and click on the subscribe button to subscribe. Then you click on the notification bell to receive updates from me all the time. Thank you. Alright, so for today, I'm going to take you through the steps involved in using the calculator to solve simultaneous equations. Interesting, right? It is so simple and easy. So now pick your calculators and go through today's class with me. Great. So the first question I have here is 3x plus 2y equals 36 and 5x plus 4y equals 64. So this is the first equation and the second equation. Great. So with this one, now let's come to our calculators. We press on mode. Then we move to number 5, which is equation. So now press 5. Great. So now we are going to pick the first equation, having x plus y equals a constant. Alright, good. Now coming back to our equation, we have the coefficient of x to be 3, coefficient of y to be 2, and the constant as 36. Great. So we press number 1, then we choose or we select that equation. Then we come and input our coefficients in there. So the coefficient of x, we have 3, so we press 3, then equal to. Then we press 2, that's the coefficient of y. This A, B, C can be any letter. They are variables, okay, so they can change. So we press 2, then equal to. Now our constant has been highlighted, and that is what? 36. So we press 36 over there, equal to. So now we've input all the parameters over there. Then we come to the second equation, equation 2. The same way we did for the first one, we are doing the same thing to the second one. So the first coefficient, or the coefficient of x, there is what? 5, equal to. Coefficient of y is what? 4, equals. Then we press what? The constant, and that is what? 64, 64, equal to. So for you to display the answers, you press an equal to sign again. Alright, giving us the answer for x. So we are getting our x to be 8. Then we press again the equal to again to give us our answer for y. And we had the y to be 6. How do we prove our answer, whether we are correct or wrong? We can now fix it back into the equation. So we had x to be 8 and y to be 6. So substituting this into the equation, we are getting 3 brackets x8 plus y as 6 equals 36. Let's see whether we are going to get the 36 here. This and this is giving us a 24 plus 12. That is giving us 36. So we are correct for the first one. Let's prove the second one too. 5 brackets, the same answers. 8 plus 4 brackets 6. What is this giving us? 40 plus 24. That is giving us was 64. And so we had 64. It means we are getting our answers to be correct. Now let's see the second example. I have 2x plus 3y equals 13. Then 2 x, so this will be our equation 1. Then 2x plus y also equals 7. This will be our equation 2. So now let's use the calculator to solve it. For you to get back to your normal mode, we now press on mode and press on 1 to take you back. Okay, good. Now to start with this, we go to the same procedure. Go to mode, choose number 5, equation, because you are dealing with an equation. Then we press on what? 1, the first equation. Great, good. So we now input our parameters. So we have the coefficient of x to be 2, so press 2 equals, now the b has been highlighted, that is y over here. Then we press what? 3, the coefficient there is 3, so press 3 equals, then you come to the constant, which is what? 13, so equals 13 equal. All right, then we come to the second equation. The coefficient of x in here is 2, so 2 equals, the coefficient here is what? 1 equals, the constant is what? C is given as what? Is 7 from the question, so equals 7. Then what did I say about displaying your answers? You press on equal to again. Okay, so we are getting our x to be 2. The answer for x is 2, and you press the equal to sign again to display your y, answer for y. And we are getting the y2 to be what? 3. Great. So how do we prove our answers? So how we did the same thing for the first one. We are going to do the same thing for this one. You just have to substitute the values for x and y into your equation to prove your answer. So now we are 2x, x is giving us what? We had x to be 2 plus 3 brackets, y to be what? 3. Good. Let's see whether we are going to get 13 as the answer. So you are getting 4 plus 9. That is giving us what? 13. Great. So it means the value for this is correct. We can prove for the second one as well. So you are getting 2 brackets, 2 plus 3. That is giving us what? 4 plus 3. That is what? 7. Perfect. We have 7 here. It means we are correct for the values for x and y. Okay, I'll take you to the last one, and I'll leave you to do the rest. So the last one, I have a plus 2b equals 14 as my first equation, equation 1. Then 3a plus 4b equals 34 as equation 2. Great. So now you move through the same steps. Good. So now you move to mode, then choose number 5, equation. Then we choose equation 1. Equation 1. So we press on 1 to choose equation 1. Okay, so now getting this, we now input the coefficients. So what's the coefficient of a? That is 1. Coefficient of a 1 equals, now it will be shifted to the b. What is the coefficient of b in our question? That is 2. So we press on 2 equals, what is the constant? The c. 14. 1 4 equals. So this will take us to the second equation. That is what? 3a plus 4b equals 34. So the coefficient of a here is what? 3. Great. So 3 equals, coefficient of b is what? 4. 4 equals, coefficient of the c, the constant here is what? 34. Good. So you press on 34. Perfect. So you press on equal to, then to display the answer, you press on equal to sign again. Okay, so we are getting our x to be 6, then y to be 4. Good. So how do we prove our answer? We just have to substitute the values for x and y into the equation as we did for the first and the second example. So we have 6. So this, we are getting x and y, but in our question it was given us what? A and B. Perfect. Good. Choose what has been given you as the variables, okay? Don't choose your own. All right. So we have 6 plus 2 brackets 4. This is giving us 6 plus what? 8. That is 14, as we had over here. And the second one, 3 brackets 6 plus what? 4 brackets 4. That is giving us what? 18 plus 16. And so that will give us what? 34. That is what we had also here. It means our answer is correct. Now I'll leave you to answer this. So you now use your calculators and find for the values over here. So and find for the values of A and B in the first question, values for x and y in the second question. Good. Using your calculator. So you know what to do. When you finish, just go to mode and press on 1 to take you to the normal mode position. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Math is interesting, so let's make it fun, and with this you can get a very good score in the exams room. Do not forget to share this link to your friends as well. Till we meet again, please stay safe and learn hard. Bye.